Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to use the Marco Polo video messenger app on a device. Now if you want to use the Marco Polo video messenger app on a device but you don't know how to use it and you are a new user to it and you want to know the beginner's guide and you want to know how to use it properly on a device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to use the Marco Polo app, it is a very easy step. You just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the basic thing which you need to do is you need to simply install the Marco Polo app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after installing the Marco Polo app, you just need to open the Marco Polo app on a device and make sure that you have created the Marco Polo app account. So if you have not created the account, you just need to create the account by clicking on the option of Get Started. So you may also start the free trial, or you may also buy a certain amount of premium by paying a certain amount of price by going on the App Store. And if you are a free trial, then you will see the option of chat, my friends, and various options at the bottom of the taskbar if you have already signed up for your account. So from here you may click on the option of friends, and here you may add the friends from your contact and also various other things like messages, messenger, WhatsApp, emails, and you may also share the QR code with your friends, and you may add the friends from here. Also you may also send a video message, or also known as the Polo, on the Marco Polo video messenger app. So if you are friends with other people, then you will see the number of chats right here. So if you click on the option of chat you want to send the video with, you may simply tap on the video like this. So by recording all of it, you may send it to your family group or to the person you want to share the video with. So by doing all of it, you may also send the video, and you may also watch and respond. So you may tap on the friends photo to watch the message and also record and send your reply at the same time. So by doing all of it, you may use the fun features like you may text and draw, you may add text or drawings to your Polo, and you may also change your voice and add video filters. You may send quick emojis and all of it. So that's it. That's how you can use the Marco Polo video messenger app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.